Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all doing well. Something different today. Collaboration with the lovely Shelley Carruthers from Shelley Art. Very excited about this. Shelley asked if I would like to do a collaboration with her where she would do the original pour, send it to me, and then I would do something with it. Obviously I've got free rein to do what I want to do. I've got 3 pieces to do. So with this one I thought it would be a good idea to do something that everybody can do, and it makes use of old pours that we've got. So this, it's the canvas. I took it off a frame. This is from, oh my goodness, probably 3 years ago when I first started, and it was a dip, and there were some pretty parts, really pretty iridescent cells in it. As it was just literally, you know, where put all your colours down, you get your canvas, dip it in. So it's a reverse dip, dip it in, lift it up. I think I lifted it at an angle, as I've got them, yeah, would have lifted it at an angle to get it like that. So yes, it was pretty, but there were, the edges weren't that wonderful. But it, you know how it just collects dust with all your other things. So what I thought about doing was cutting it up to make coasters, but I don't resin, so I bought these oh gosh, plastic photo frame where you click one on top of the other, and I thought I'd be able to put them in there and then kind of make a coaster that obviously would be heat proof. And it works with the acrylic skins, but it doesn't work if it's a canvas. Sorry, I'm messing with these, I'm the right fiddler. This is too thick being a canvas, so it has to be as thin as a photograph, so that's why acrylic skins work. So that didn't work, so I just put it to one side. And then when I had this off Shelley, have I shown you this? Look at the shimmer. How beautiful is that? I think that's Lagoon. Don't know what other colours are in here. Maybe Glisten, Lagoon, Mermaid, Sapphire maybe. But you'll have seen Shelley's video first before mine, so you'll know what colours she used. And it's resined, it's had one coat of resin, and then after I've done whatever I'm going to do with it, Shelley will do another coat. So anyway, back to this. This is what I've done. As you can see, I've just been drawing a mermaid tail, just fiddling out size, because obviously I wanted it to go into the negative space, and how it looks. I kind of think that looks like a mermaid tail. So here's my mermaid tail. Found some pretty parts, but I will be doing something to this as well. I'm going to remember that holographic transfer foil that I used in that Galaxy collab that we did. I'm going to put some of that on it, but I've cut it so it fits there, like that. So that will be going there, and then I've also cut out a sea turtle. And some really pretty purple iridescent parts, and again I will be adding to him as well. I think I might put him there, or maybe like that. Yeah, we'll have the mermaid obviously diving down, and we'll have the turtle going up, and then I might embellish with my chrome pens to do some seaweed and coral. Not sure, but as I say, I will put some of that transfer foil onto that, and obviously I shall speed that little bit up. So let's get messy. So I do hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it's given you some ideas what you can do with some of your old canvases. Cut them up and play around, jazz up your paws. And if you're watching the premiere of this, I will put the link to Shelley's video in the live chat. It will be pinned at the top, so you can head straight over there. Shelley's will be following mine, and we'll be able to chat further over onto there while we see how Shelley finishes this. Obviously, if you're watching it afterwards, the link to Shelley's will be in my description box. So everybody, thank you so much for being here with me, and please like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And thank you all for being here with me, and everybody take care, stay safe, see you all next time, bye.